Hello and welcome to Target AFO YouTube channel, and I'm here to help you crack the IBPS AFO exam. In today's video, we will explore some vocabulary. Whether you are preparing for an exam or improving your language skill, these new words will help you. Without any delay, let's start our video. Confluence. The synonym of confluence is junction. Second word, enlightenment. The synonym of enlightenment is knowledgeable. Third word, venerated. Synonym of venerated is adore. Hamper. The meaning of the word hamper is abstract. Allegedly. Synonym of allegedly is illegal. Consistency is key to retaining vocabulary. Dedicate a few minutes each day to revising your vocabulary. Make it a part of your daily routine. Regular practice will help you build a strong and lasting vocabulary base.